was very happy and satisfied that we chose to stay here last minute. Pros. Perfect location near Ximending. Upgraded us for a quadruple room. Clean room, especially the washroom. Strong water pressure with hot and cold shower. 10th floor overlooking window view of the city. Almost complete amenities, blower, water heater, ref. Free baggage storage service, before and after check-in. Cons. Hard to locate since it is on the 10th floor of an old building. Together with Liho Hotel. A little on language barrier, understandable. It's a bang for the buck. We'll definitely book here again once I go back in Taipei. Hotel is close to all restau/night market and accessible to different mode of transpo. Walking distance on some tourist spots, Carrefour. The room itself is spacious, too neat, even the restroom with hot/shower and ref. The price, 1K plus per night, is really worth it. This is really a great deal and a great place to stay. Place offers incredible value with its prime location, making it easy to explore the area. Staff are friendly and accommodating. The hotel has a good location and is clean. Good. The room is very spacious, value for the money. I did not expect that there will be a bathtub for the price I paid. It's very clean with free bottled water daily. They clean the room daily as well. The only problem I had was the slow Wi-Fi connection, and I had a hard time locating the hotel without signage outside. You just have to look for the Liho Hotel cause they are at the same building. Overall, I had a fantastic stay here. With an accommodating staff. They let me leave my luggage upon checkout since my flight was early morning back to Manila. I will surely book here again. The room is clean and big, so relaxing. The staff was so nice and the place is near the center. Near tourist spots and shopping streets. Accessible, budget-wise and very clean. Very spacious room. It's about a 10-minute walk from Ximen Station. Time flies by while enjoying the scenery. The room is also clean. There's no problem with the shower water flow. They provide 2 bottles of water as well. There are also 2 bath towels and 2 regular towels. The check-in and check-out process is courteous. If you have any questions, they will show you a sheet in Japanese as well. It's like they are saying, "We're conveying this to you now." It's perfect for a wandering trip like mine, where I enjoy eating on the go. There are many inexpensive and delicious restaurants around. I would definitely consider returning. The room was clean and comfortable to sleep. Secured and safe. Also, the room was always cleaned every day. They always change the bath towel and pick up the trash and change it to a new one. It has Wi-Fi connection, TV, aircon and bathtub. They have extra pillows and also they have cabinet to be used for hanging clothes. It's spacious and easily accessible from the elevator. It has lift and the receptionist is nice, would love to come back.